Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your posts on TikTok. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through various different posts. Now, first of all, make sure that you are logged into your account by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and by using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will once again end back into this homepage from which you can make a post by tapping on the plus icon. From there, you can use your camera to take a photo or a video, and you can also tap on the upload button to upload your photos and videos from your gallery. After uploading your photo or your video, you will find the add sound option at the top section. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see various different musics that you can add onto your post. You can also tap on the search option and manually search for the song that you're looking for. Once you find your desired music, you can tap on the play option to preview, and in order to select, go ahead and tap on the song. You can then clip the song and audio section by clicking on the cut icon and then choose the portion of the song that you want to appear within your post. Then tap on the done button and the song will now be added. You can modify the volume if you wish by tapping on the volume icon, and then you will be able to change the sound from the original video as well as from your music. After making this change, simply tap on the done button and you can proceed forward with posting your story or posting it on your newsfeed by simply tapping on the next button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add music onto your post on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.